be. If a scaffold's erected and it's going to be up for a long period of time, then that scaffold should be inspected by a competent person, which may mean that a builder or a duty holder may require a scaffolder to come back and check that scaffold. And I think probably you would be looking at a timing of around 30 days. Okay, so once that scaffold's been up for that 30 days, getting somebody back just to check, make sure all the components are still in place, make sure the base plates, the sole plates, anything like that, where the scaffold is, like the pressure points, if you like, are all still okay. No movement in the scaffold, no ties, if there's ties on the scaffold tying it back to the structure, have been removed or replaced, and just checking through all the componentry just to make sure that the scaffold is still safe and complete. When we're erecting scaffolding, altering scaffolding, dismantling scaffolding, the requirement is anything where the working deck is over 4 metres, we require a basic scaffolding ticket at least to erect, dismantle scaffold. So there is definitely training. Even for a modular scaffold, a mobile scaffold or anything like that, we would still expect somebody to be trained in how to, I suppose, put that scaffold together in a way that it's going to be safe and it is complete. So training is definitely required, but from a high-risk work licence, a basic scaffold would be the minimum requirement for something over 4 metres.